Well, some days you just can't win. So anyway, my Ranger was parked here. Apparently the neighbors complained. So they went and spray painted 2 dots on each side of the tire. So I moved the Toyota over here and moved the Ranger over here. So anyway, musical cars. Don't know why. I guess they get upset if you use the parking spaces in the road too much. But anyway, once I get that one off the ramps, I will, as they say, get it back out in the street, and old Rufus will be back in the driveway. And if you guys wanted to know, how long can you park Rhino ramps with a car on them? Well, I can tell you for at least 2 weeks without issue. They've been parked on here. So, holding up, just sitting there. Yeah, one day I'll get this done. I'm having too much fun making videos with the cover off right now. Got a lot of others I'm going to do. But anyway, that's the trials and tribulations of making your neighbors mad. As a follow-up to them painting the dots on the concrete for me parking my car too long, this is my response. What do y'all think? Appropriate? Let me know in the comments.
Squeal like a pig boy!